Very good afternoon to you, sir. My name is Nikita. I'm from Rail Analysis. As you're aware that Rail Analysis is having its 7th Rail and Metro Technology Award event today on 30th January. So we are having you over here. Can you please introduce yourself and briefly tell us about your organization and its role in the rail and metro ecosystem?
Yeah. So thank you for this opportunity to join the Rail Analysis Summit 2026. Okay, so my name is Anish Verma and I am from Lepton Software. So Lepton Software is 3 decades old organization, expertise in GIS-based software solution and services. We are completely Indian-based company. All our products are made in India. Okay, and we do provide our services to railways, telecom, and as well as utility sectors.
All right. So, from your perspective, how do platform like Rail Analysis Conference contribute to innovation, collaboration, and sectoral growth in India rail and metro industry?
So definitely, it's a good opportunity for the vendors, the policymakers, as well as the organizers to share their opinions, their challenges, as well as their solutions. Okay, so that it will provide acceleration towards the new technologies in the railway as well as the metro domain.
All right. So, what key trends and technology discussed today do you believe will shape the next phase of rail and urban mobility in India?
Yes, definitely. So we have seen few of the presentation from multiple vendors. Okay, so we have seen the technologies like the digital platforms related to the Kavach technologies, the anti-gravity systems are there. Apart from that, we have also seen the vendors like Lepton who has provided their capability in the GIS field, like how they would be able to create the digital twin of the entire network assets of the railway. The entire railway corridor shall be mapped on a digital platform. Okay, so all these technologies are going to accelerate the future requirement in digital domain. Thank you.
All right. So, any experience you would like to share with us for the rail analysis and any suggestion you would like to give us to improve in the future?
No, I think it's good platform and it should happen every year. Okay, so I have always wanted to attend these type of events. Okay, in coming years also. Thanks.
Thank you so much.